Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you some FaceTime settings. So at first, just launch FaceTime. Then after launching it, here you can see create link option. If you click on create link, you can just send a link to anyone like this. Anyone you can. There is option called new FaceTime. If you click on it, you can just add someone to new FaceTime. Click on this plus icon beside to, and you can just add anyone from your contact. Just select the person and you can add them. If they are not available in FaceTime, you can just invite them with messages. Now in the FaceTime video call, just I'm going to enter a video call, clicking create link and clicking on the link, the video call will be started. Here you can see the video call is here. If you click the bottom right, the camera icon, the camera will change. If you click on the mute icon, your voice call will be muted. If you click on the camera icon, the camera will be turned off, and if you click on the speaker will turn on. If you click the bottom left icon, star icon, you can just use filter in your FaceTime app. In your FaceTime app, you can also zoom. So guys, that's the FaceTime settings. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.